I would like to invite Ms. Prachiti Thakur, who is the co-founder and CEO at Krypton India, to come and speak a few words to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharti, for such a lovely day. Good evening, everyone. As we come to the conclusion of this second edition CyberSec Innovation Summit and Awards 2025, let's all just take a moment to breathe this entire insightful day in. So, I would like to digress a bit actually. As mentioned by my partner Shraddha in morning, 3 years ago, precisely 3 years, 1 month ago, on 10th of June 2022, a day forever etched in our hearts, we started Krypton India. And it is this particular venue, Hotel Holiday in Mumbai, when we had our first event. The nerves were real, the panic was real, but all that mattered was the the hunger actually, as well as the anger, because two dynamic young female entrepreneurs, two 25-year-old, were daring to jump into this world. This business world, mainly dominated by male, and also the age was a little less. But all that mattered once again was the anger as well as the hunger and the determination. It was a very wonderful event, same as today. एक थोड़ा सा अगर फिलोसॉफिकल बोलूं तो वो स्टेज तब वहाँ था, आज वो यहाँ है. वहाँ से यहाँ का फासला भले ही थोड़ा हो, बट वो फासला है हमारे जिद का, हमारे जज्बे का, and a never giving up attitude. 3 years of learning, unlearning, facing obstacles, overcoming those obstacles, but showing in and day out, no matter what. There is a very wonderful saying which says, try, but never cry. But I would like to suggest something else. Try, and cry even if it is needed. Hell, have a breakdown. But make sure that no matter what, you are showing up with the same enthusiasm, same determination, and same will with which you started something. Be it business in our case, or be it just a simple hobby that you must have started, or be it just showing up in life. You never know, the universe might just say, तू ट्राई करके तो देख ले, मैं बाकी सब संभाल लूंगा. That is what mattered for us. We have done a lot of events in all these 3 years. With each event, we have just grown. We have learned not just professionally, but also individually. To come back to this event, firstly, I would like to congratulate all the award winners. It is your achievement which truly deserves this stage. It is your contribution to this cybersecurity domain, be it at the organization level or at an individual level, which is truly worthy of celebration. Congratulations once again. And then coming to our lovely delegate, thank you for showing up once again. At such a day when Mumbai rains have shown no mercy, it truly means a lot to us. You don't know what your energy puts in us. After every event, me and Shraddha and my entire team go back home with tired but a satisfied heart. That what we did truly mattered to the people who have shown up. Because of your energy, this day was even more engaging and vibrant. Thank you once again. And what to say about our brilliant speakers? I've always insisted that it is you, your knowledge, your experience, and the presence which brings value to this stage. It is your insights which gives it the right eyeballs that it deserves, and the stage needs it. We need it. Thank you once again for your incredible insights and your knowledge sharing sessions. To our incredible sponsors, let me tell you, Tech Partner, this is our 5th summit with them. Thank you for all the trust and encouragement that they have shown us in all these summits. It truly means the world to us. We hope that we grow along with them for years to come. To all our new sponsors as well, Noble Cyber, Core Genex, iSecureNet, and Privy by ID5. Thank you for showing trust in us and coming on board for the first time. We just hope this is the beginning of a long-term association. And lastly, to my small but mighty young team, It is your endless passion, hustle and heart, which drives us to do what we do day in and day out. Like Shraddha mentioned in the morning, बहुत छोटे छोटे tiny दिखते थे. People used to judge us when we used to tell them we are the founders. But let me tell you a saying from Marathi. मूर्ती लहान पण कीर्ती महान. That means it is not the size of the fighter. It is the fight in the fighter that matters. It is not what you get to see from the outside, but it is what we have inside and what we do with that in our life. That is what matters. I would like to state here, this is just the beginning. There is so much more to build, to create and to achieve together. We will be growing very much in the years to come, and we hope that you all wonderful people will be a part of it. Thank you once again for being a part of our journey. See you at the next one. Cheers, guys.
I think they deserve a standing ovation. If we can request the crowd to stand and appreciate both